Welcome to the #1 volume Jaguar retailer in North America. Presenting our 2008 Jaguar XKR convertible with our certified Select Edition vehicles, we invest more than any dealer to ensure our vehicles exceed the highest standards. Our advantage and pledge to you is a rigorous 140-point inspection, documentation of all maintenance, fully updated factory software, transferable benefits, complimentary 24-hour roadside assistance, and a guaranteed clean accident-free Carfax history report. Do not invest in an inferior vehicle with no extended warranty, substandard inspections, no factory software updates, existing vehicle damage, hidden expenses, uncertain vehicle history or flawed title issues. This vehicle carries the Jaguar Certified Select Edition warranty until August 12, 2014 or 100,000 miles. Offered in rare midnight black with charcoal interior and special order gray convertible top. Options include premium sound with satellite radio and aluminum luxury package. The XKR has many standard features such as 420 horsepower V8 engine, performance brakes and suspension, navigation and much more. This is a one-owner. Visit www.jaguarpalmbeach.com.